Unpackage. Power supply, workpiece cam cable, wire feeder trigger cable, laser safety glasses, welding nozzle tips, wire feeder unpackage, wire feeder tool, power supply table, spare wire feeding wheel, wire feeding wheel already built in, wire feeder feeding used and the welding touch end, rear view of welding device, front view of welding device, pickup welding torch, unpackage. Install one end of the wire feeder inside the wire feeder. The other end is assembled with the welding torch. Assemble other parts. Adjust nozzle location and scale. Welding machine power installation. Insert after aligning the wet marking points. Power connection. Interlock cable connection. One end of the wire feeding control cable is connected to the welding machine. The other end is connected to the wire feeder. Wire feeder power install. Gas in. The recommended value is not less than 15 liters per minute.